A charcuterie? First thing in the morning, you ask?
Aha, but it is not the morning. It is the afternoon. I have hat hair because I've been wearing my ski hat all day and I was out and about. I haven't even had coffee yet. So today's adventure starts in the afternoon and we're gonna go see some really cool lights tonight. So join me on this adventure.
Coffees left. Let's see what 22 brings. It is toasted marshmallow, maybe? I can't see it. Yes, toasted marshmallow. That sounds delicious. Oh, that's good. It's moving. Menorah. I am so happy.
There's another one right up.
Where?
Right up.
Oh, there's another one. See, you got to remember everybody that celebrates.
You guys, that was so much fun. I was with two of my friends. The only bad point, which is kind of a big bad point, is that you buy your tickets online. It's open from 6 to 9. So we went and picked a friend up and we got to the area around 6:55, but we waited on this giant line to get in for 2 hours. And they were supposed to close at 9. They let us go through and everything, but they should really have a reservation system, because if it hadn't been for us just joking around and stuff and catching up in the car, it would have been really bad. But we had fun in general. But if you have a child who's wanting to see these lights, I can't imagine keeping them busy for 2 hours sitting there in that line. So it was a little crazy. All right, let's go to 2 wines tonight.
All right, so we have 21 from yesterday. Looks like it's going to be white. Lady in Red. Is it red? No, it's white though. I have no idea what that is. We're going to look that up. And then 22. Looks like that's going to be red. Is a Merlot. Okay, let's go see what cheeses they have there. This is supposed to be one of the oldest grapes from Georgia. I'm assuming they mean Georgia like in Europe. And it's going to have flavors of apricot, orange peel, and honey. So that will be interesting. We'll pull out the cheese in a second. This is supposed to be blackberry plums and a subtle hint of herbs, and then medium body. Okay, so to go along with that white, oh no, it's the goat. I will not be trying this at all. I tried it earlier. If you saw that video, you know I don't like goat. I'm not even going to attempt it, so I'll just drink the wine on that one. I'm literally throwing this away, or I'll save it for my husband. 22 is right up here. And that red is paired with a cheddar with whiskey. Ooh, I do like this cheese.
First up, this white. It's okay. It's, I don't know. Nah. Upon further examination, I don't think so. So, you know, I don't know if I'm going to do this next year. I have not been overly thrilled with the wines. I mean, I know, you know, they're Aldi wines, but I don't know. I've done it for like, what, 4 or 5 years already? I think it might be time to get a different one maybe next year. Anyway, let me open this next one. This one smells pretty good. Oh, that's got a funky that's a funky ending. I'm not gonna try it again. I'll try it with the cheese, but I think we're gonna dump that one too. It had a really weird ending. Like I can't even put a finger on it. Like I want to say metallic, but I don't think that's it. Cheese is good. No. I want to say it has a new car smell. I know that sounds ridiculous. But it's not that. It's like maybe a plasticky smell? I don't know. I'm dumping it. I'm not drinking that. I don't know if the wine went bad or it's supposed to be like that or it's just those herbs that are in it. Passing. All right, so 2 no's for me tonight. And we have 2 left. I'm kind of hoping that they throw a sparkling in there at the end, but we'll see. And that's going to do it for me. It was a great night full of holiday cheer. We have 2 days left and then we're done. Tomorrow I am going to probably head to Disney. And so stick around for that. Thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up and I'll see you on my next adventure.